What's the origin of Fahrenheit temperature scale points? Imagine trying to measure how hot or cold something is before modern thermometers existed. That's exactly what Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit set out to do in the early 1700s. He was a physicist and instrument maker who wanted a reliable way to measure temperature. To do this, he chose 3 key reference points that made sense based on what he could observe and reproduce easily. First, he set 0 degrees Fahrenheit as the temperature of a mixture of ice, water, and salt. This mixture creates a stable, very cold temperature that could be made consistently. It was a practical 0 point because it was easy to reproduce in different labs. Next, he assigned 32 degrees Fahrenheit to the temperature at which pure water freezes. This was a natural choice because freezing water is a familiar, consistent event. It also made the scale more intuitive since it was just above the 0 point he had already set. The third point was human body temperature. Fahrenheit initially measured it at 96 degrees Fahrenheit by placing the thermometer under the arm. He picked this number because it could be divided into smaller parts easily, which helped in making more precise measurements. Later, he adjusted the scale so that the difference between the freezing point of water at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the boiling point at 212 degrees Fahrenheit was exactly 180 degrees. This made the scale more practical because 180 is divisible by many numbers, allowing for easy subdivision into halves, thirds, and quarters. Fahrenheit was also influenced by an earlier temperature scale created by Ole Romer, who used fractions and multiples to improve precision. Fahrenheit's use of mercury in thermometers helped make measurements more consistent and accurate. Overall, the points on the Fahrenheit scale come from a mix of physical phenomena that could be reliably reproduced and mathematical choices that made the scale easy to work with. This approach made Fahrenheit's temperature scale a practical tool for scientists and everyday use, connecting to the fundamental ideas of thermodynamics by providing a standard way to measure heat and energy transfer.